Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into the IRS account for tax-related insurance benefits, full guide step-by-step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the official IRS website. In the top right corner, look for the Sign In button. Click on the Sign In button to be directed to the login page. If you already have an account, enter your user ID and password in the required fields. If you forgot your user ID or password, click on the respective link to retrieve or reset your credentials. Follow the prompts to recover your user ID or reset your password. Once your credentials are entered, click the Sign In button to access your account. If this is your first time logging in, you may need to verify your identity through multi-factor authentication. Check your email or mobile device for a verification code. Enter the verification code into the prompt on the website. After successful verification, you will be redirected to your IRS account dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate through the options to find tax-related insurance benefits. Select the appropriate link related to tax benefits to get detailed information. Review all the provided resources and guides pertaining to your specific needs. If you encounter any issues, refer to the FAQ section or contact IRS support for assistance. Always ensure you log out of your account after completing your session for added security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.